Hi, I'm Christina and I'm ready to take you through a short 10-minute cardio blast workout. You've got 4 moves. Each move is a minute long and then you're going to repeat those moves all over again. I'm going to go over the exercises first, then we'll do a warm-up. So first move is a jack with a jog with a rise. So option 1 is to stay lower impact by just lifting your heels up. So you're going to tap 1, lift up. Option 2 is a jack, shoot your arms up to the sky. Second exercise, from the side profile, you are splitting your arms, splitting those legs back, step back. Option 2 is all the way out. Keep your arms close to your ears, make sure you're reaching up nice and high. Third exercise, narrow and wide squat. Option here is to stay. Option 2 is to actually add a little plyometric jump to it. Staying nice and low is key. It's not about speed for that one. The last exercise, my favorite, is the low march, medium march, and high march. Or low run, medium, and high. Okay, are you ready? Your warm up. Start off with march. We're going to take that one into the box. Good. Just get those legs warmed up. Using them for cardio. Good. And now just tap it out. Take your arms up and over the head. Reach nice and big. Good, now arms across the chest. Big sweep through. Nice, now lean over to the side and hold the pulse. Other side. Okay, now drop that shoulder for 2. And switch. Do that again, shoulder drop. Other side. Good, flat back. And roll up. Good, bring those legs in. And start to kick your heels to the back of your booty. That's it. Now drop your elbows behind. Good. 4 more. You've got 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Big march. Okay, so are you ready to get started? Let's go. Here we go. Come on, reach those hands up towards the sky. That's it. Think about landing softly on your feet. Keep going. Heart rate's going up. That heart rate's going up. Woo. Minute feels like forever. Good. 1 more. That's good. Scissors. Tap or all the way. From the side it's here. Good. Come on. I need you to get your arms all the way up. All the way up. You should feel your hands touching the side of your ears. Yes. Woo. Come on. Fist or blades. What you got today? Yes. Keep going. That's the way. That's it. Yeah. Woo. Feeling good. Feeling good. Are your arms still touching your ears? Come on. Keep going. And switch. So, narrow and wide. Are you ready? Narrow squat, wide. You don't even have to go fast. As long as you keep moving and you don't stop, I guarantee you're going to feel it. Now, what I do need you to do is to bend your knees. Remember the options right here. No worries if you need to go down to the options. And then when you're ready, kick it back up. Yes. Use your arms with that momentum to swing in and out. job. Woo! 10 minutes is all you need today. You can do this again tomorrow. And if 10 minutes is not enough, guess what? You can press replay. Come on. One more. In, out. Oh. Next one. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and then high. 2. Again, low. Medium run and high. I need you to pump your arms. Medium and high. What are your options? You stay lower here. Okay? High. Go low. Medium and high. Low. Medium. Knees go high. Do it again. Let's go. Medium. High. Again. Woo. You're almost there. I'll take a short break. And then we'll do it again. High. One more time. Low. Medium. Up. Great job. Listen up. You're not done. I'm not done. You're not quitting. I'm not quitting. What I want you to do is get some water, because we're doing that all over again. Same 4 moves. This time even better. You're not making excuses, right? Oh no. Okay, hope you got some water. Catch your breath. Remember, listen to your body. Know what you can handle. Know when you're holding back, and know when you can push forward. All right? Go. Hup. Keep going. Come on. Come on, goalpost coming up. Really push through. Lift all the way up. Engage your core. Yes. Better. I know you didn't press pause, right? I know you're still there. Pushing through. Getting stronger. Feeling better. Taking care of that body that God has blessed you with. Yes. Let's go. Whew. Hup. Keep going. Yes, you can. You're not quitting right now. Neither am I. Oh, it's not easy, but it's worth it. That's it, one more. Okay, right here. Start a little bit here. And go right into it. Now, I don't want to see this. Okay, I know you're not doing that. Your arms are going all the way up. And I need you to breathe. Keep going. Do you know how hard it is to talk and do it? Woo! So if I can talk and do it, I know you can move. And I know you can smile. And I know that you can finish. Come on. Keep going. Woo! Right. Yeah. Around the world if you want. Okay. Nice job. Zero blind spots. Here we go. There. Right into it. Oh my. Not much of a break in between those, right? But guess what? 2 minutes left. Remember that. 2 minutes. You can do anything. 2 minutes. It's doable. Come on. It's not even an hour workout. It's not a 30-minute workout. It's not even a 15-minute workout. 10 minutes. 1 minute warm up. 1 minute cool down. 8 minutes of intense work. Keep going. That's it. Drop low. Ooh, quads are on fire. Abs are pulled in. Head is above the chest. Swinging the arms. they kept their trust in the Lord. Come on, through the lows, through the good, through the mountaintops, we're gonna praise His name. Through coronavirus, we're not gonna stop. No, we're not backing down. We're putting on the whole armor of God. Put on the garments of praise today. That's it. Yes, you can. Call on Him, who is your strength. That's it. One more. Low, medium, high. Oh man. Keep moving, don't just stop. Yes. Push it out. Great job, you guys. So proud. Take your feet wide. Yeah, just have it out. Allow your heart rate to come down a bit. Nice. Take your arms, reach across your chest. So proud of you. You did it. Reach up and over. Remember, like our last move, low jumps, marches, medium, and then high. We're gonna go through all kinds of obstacles in life. Tap. We're gonna go through tribulations, but Jesus said we will. He went through it, we are too. The key is to not lose faith. Comment below if you finished the workout, and if you're still strong in your faith, and you're still believing God for a miracle, and He is your shield, I wanna know what Jesus is to you today. Comment below, all right? Big inhale, exhale. Do it again. Exhale. Last time. And release. Good. Now take a hinge on your hip. Reach for the toes.